Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks. Now today we're going over the Nike Dunk High in the Vast Gray colorway. Now before we get into the shoe, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. The Nike Dunk High Vast Gray will be joining a stacked lineup for the Nike Dunk that will be releasing throughout 2021. Dressed in a white and Vast Gray color scheme, this Nike Dunk High features a white leather upper paired with Vast Gray overlays and matching swoosh branding on the sides and laces. A white midsole atop a gray rubber outsole completes the design. Look for the Nike Dunk High Vast Gray to release January 14th at select Nike retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $120 US. Now, I will leave info on where to cop this shoe in the description below, so check that out. Now, I will also go over resale, but before we do that, let's just go over this colorway. I've said it over and over again, Dunks come with this nice quality, low retail price, so whenever that colorway is on point, I gotta have the shoe, or at least I will try to get the shoe. I'll take a lot of L's. You do have white on the underlay and then this very light gray on the outer lays. Gives it this nice, just like premium look to it. A white tongue, white tag up at the top of the tongue with your Nike logo. A white lining and white insole, white midsole, and then that cell light gray outsole. Right out the gate, right after release, I can see the shoe going for around $250, somewhere around there, give or take 50 bucks. And then with 6 months to a year, I could see it hitting 300 plus easily. So if I do take the L on release day, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not paying resale unless it's really low. If it drops to like $200, I might consider buying it, but anything over 200, I just lose interest, and that's just me being honest. So yeah, I like the shoe, but I'm not paying resale. Let me know what you guys think of this colorway. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. It really shows me that you guys like the videos, that I'm doing something right, and hopefully I'm helping you guys out, because that is the purpose of this channel. I'm trying to give you guys information, knowledge, as well as my personal take, because I do enjoy just, you know, conversating with you guys in the comment section below, getting your guys' take. And I think some people enjoy watching my videos and seeing what I have to say about these releases. So again, if you guys do like what I'm doing over here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. I really do appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.